Welcome to My Business Success. If you've been thinking about starting an online store but don't know where to begin, you're in the right place. E-commerce is growing rapidly, and now is the perfect time to get started. Whether you want to sell products you're passionate about or simply want to tap into the online market, this video will guide you through the essential steps to launching a successful e-commerce store. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, from choosing the right niche, selecting products, setting up your store, to marketing and growing your business. No prior experience is necessary. All you need is the willingness to learn and take action. So let's dive in and start your journey to becoming a successful e-commerce entrepreneur. Now that you're ready to start your e-commerce journey, the first crucial step is choosing the right niche. A niche is simply a specific segment of the market that you'll focus on. This decision will lay the foundation for your entire business, so it's important to choose wisely. First, think about your interests and passions. What products or topics do you enjoy the most? Building a business around something you're passionate about will make the entire process more enjoyable and sustainable in the long run. Next, you'll want to research the market demand. Use tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and social media platforms to see what products are currently popular and whether there's a growing interest in your chosen niche. Look for a balance. Ideally, you want a niche that has enough demand to be profitable, but not so much competition that it's hard to stand out. You should also consider the profitability of the niche. Are the products in this niche high value enough to generate a good profit margin? Remember, selling a higher priced item might require more effort, but it often results in better returns. Lastly, think about your target audience. Who are the people most likely to buy these products? Understanding your audience's needs and preferences will help you tailor your offerings and marketing strategies more effectively. Once you've done your research and chosen your niche, you'll be ready to move on to the next step, selecting the products you'll sell. After choosing the right niche for your e-commerce store, the next critical step is selecting the products you'll sell. Your product selection will play a huge role in the success of your store, so it's important to make thoughtful decisions. First, consider the demand for the products within your chosen niche. Use tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and e-commerce platforms to see which products are currently popular. Look for products that not only have a consistent demand, but also align with your passion and expertise. Next, evaluate the competition. Check out other e-commerce stores within your niche to see what they're offering. Pay attention to their best-selling products, pricing strategies, and how they market these items. This will give you an idea of what works and where there might be gaps in the market that you can fill. Another important factor to consider is the profit margin. When selecting products, calculate the cost of goods sold, COGS, and compare it with the selling price to determine your potential profit margin. Aim for products that offer a healthy margin, allowing you to cover your expenses and still make a profit. Also, think about the logistics. How easy is it to source these products? Consider the availability of suppliers, shipping times, and any potential challenges in managing inventory. If you're planning to use a dropshipping model, ensure that your suppliers are reliable and can deliver products on time. Lastly, consider adding complementary products to your store. These are items that naturally go well with your main products and can increase your average order value. For example, if you're selling cameras, you might also offer accessories like tripods, camera bags, or memory cards. Now that you've chosen your niche and selected the products you'll sell, it's time to set up your online store. This is where your e-commerce business really starts to take shape, and having a well-designed, user-friendly website is crucial to your success. First, you'll need to choose the right platform for your store. There are several popular e-commerce platforms available, such as Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. Each platform has its own strengths, so consider factors like ease of use, available features, and your budget when making your decision. Shopify, for instance, is great for beginners due to its user-friendly interface and all-in-one features, while WooCommerce offers more flexibility for those who prefer to use WordPress. Once you've selected your platform, the next step is to set up your store's design and layout. Choose a clean, professional theme that matches the style of your brand and makes it easy for for customers to navigate your site. Most e-commerce platforms offer customizable templates that you can tweak to fit your needs. Next, focus on the user experience, UX. Your store should be easy to navigate with clear categories, a simple checkout process, and mobile optimization. Remember, many customers will shop on their smartphones, so make sure your website looks great and functions smoothly on mobile devices. You'll also need to set up essential pages such as the home page, product pages, about us, contact information, and shipping and returns policies. Each page should be designed to build trust with your customers and provide them with the information they need to make a purchase. For example, your product pages should include high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and customer reviews if available. Payment processing is another crucial element. Choose a payment gateway that's secure and easy to use, like PayPal, Stripe, or Square. Ensure that your store supports multiple payment methods to accommodate different customer preferences. Finally, don't forget about security. Your customers need to feel safe when making a purchase on your site. Implement SSL certificates, use strong passwords, and consider adding additional layers of security such as two-factor authentication. With your online store set up and ready to go, the next step is to drive traffic to your site and turn visitors into customers. A great-looking store is only the first piece of the puzzle. You need effective marketing strategies to attract potential buyers and boost sales. Let's start with search engine optimization, SEO. SEO is all about making your website more visible on search engines like Google. By optimizing your product pages, blog posts, and overall site content with relevant keywords, you increase the chances of your store appearing in search results when people are looking for products in your niche. Focus on creating high-quality content that addresses the needs and questions of your potential customers. Tools like Google Keyword Planner and Ahrefs can help you identify the best keywords to target. And next, consider social media marketing. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter are powerful tools for reaching your audience and promoting your products. Regularly post engaging content such as product photos, user-generated content, behind-the-scenes looks, and special offers. Don't forget to use hashtags and interact with your followers to build a community around your brand. Paid advertising on these platforms like Facebook ads and Instagram ads can also help you reach a larger audience quickly. Email marketing is another highly effective strategy. Building an email list allows you to stay in touch with your customers and send targeted campaigns directly to their inboxes. Use email marketing to announce new products, offer discounts, and share valuable content that keeps your subscribers engaged. Tools like MailChimp and Klaviyo make it easy to manage your email campaigns and track their performance. Influencer marketing can also be a game changer. Partnering with influencers in your niche can help you reach a larger audience and build credibility. Look for influencers who align with your brand values and have an engaged following. They can promote your products through reviews, unboxings, and shout-outs, giving you exposure to their audience. Don't forget about content marketing. Blogging, video content, and tutorials can drive traffic to your site and establish your brand as an authority in your niche. Create content that educates, entertains, or solves problems for your audience. For example, if you sell fitness equipment, you could create workout tutorials or blog posts on fitness tips that naturally incorporate your products. Finally, consider offering promotions and discounts to incentivize purchases. Limited time offers, discount codes, and free shipping are great ways to encourage visitors to buy. Promote these offers through your social media channels, email campaigns, and on your website to create a sense of urgency. By implementing these marketing strategies, you'll be able to drive traffic to your online store and convert visitors into loyal customers. Now that you've set up your store and started driving traffic, it's essential to focus on managing your sales and providing excellent customer service. These elements are key to building a loyal customer base and ensuring long-term success for your e-commerce store. Let's start with managing sales. Efficiently handling orders, payments, and shipping is crucial to maintaining a smooth operation. Make sure your store's backend is set up to process orders quickly and accurately. Use an integrated payment gateway like PayPal, Stripe, or Shopify payments to ensure that transactions are secure and seamless for your customers. When it comes to shipping, clarity and reliability are paramount. Clearly communicate shipping options, costs, and delivery times on your website. Consider offering multiple shipping options, including expedited shipping for customers who need their orders quickly. Providing tracking information helps build trust and allows customers to monitor their orders in real time. Next, let's talk about customer service. Outstanding customer service can set your e-commerce store apart from the competition. Make it easy for customers to contact you by offering multiple support channels such as email, live chat, and phone support. Respond to inquiries promptly and professionally, and always aim to resolve issues in a way that leaves customers satisfied. Handling returns and refunds is another critical aspect of customer service. Clearly outline your return policy on your website and make the process as hassle-free as possible. A generous and straightforward return policy can reassure customers and encourage them to make a purchase. To build and maintain customer loyalty, consider implementing a loyalty program. Reward repeat customers with discounts, special offers, or exclusive access to new products. This not only incentivizes repeat purchases, but also helps you establish a deeper connection with your customers. Finally, don't underestimate the power of customer feedback. Encourage customers to leave reviews and testimonials on your website and social media channels. Positive reviews can greatly influence new customers, while negative feedback provides valuable insights into areas where you can improve. By effectively managing sales and prioritizing customer service, you'll create a positive shopping experience that keeps customers coming back and helps your e-commerce store thrive in the long run. As you continue to manage your e-commerce store and see positive results, it's time to think about scaling your business and sustaining growth over the long term. Scaling isn't just about increasing sales, it's about growing in a way that's sustainable and manageable. One of the first steps in scaling is to optimize your operations. Look at your current processes for inventory management, order fulfillment, and customer service. Are there areas where you can improve efficiency? Consider automating repetitive tasks, outsourcing certain aspects of your business, or investing in software tools that can help streamline your operations. The more efficient your processes, the easier it will be to handle increased demand as your business grows. Next, consider expanding your product line. Introducing new products that complement your existing offerings can attract new customers and encourage repeat purchases. However, it's important to do thorough market research before adding new items to ensure they align with your brand and meet customer needs. And another key aspect of scaling is expanding your marketing efforts. As your business grows, you may want to explore additional marketing channels or increase your investment in paid advertising. This could include running larger scale campaigns on social media, exploring influencer partnerships, or even venturing into new platforms like TikTok or LinkedIn, depending on where your target audience spends their time. International expansion is another growth strategy to consider. If your products have appeal in other markets, think about expanding your e-commerce store to serve customers in different countries. This will require adjustments to your website, shipping options, and possibly your pricing strategy, but it can open up significant new revenue streams. Don't forget about the importance of data and analytics in sustaining growth. Regularly analyze your sales data, website traffic, and customer feedback to identify trends and areas for improvement. Tools like Google Analytics, Shopify Analytics, and customer surveys can provide valuable insights that help you make informed decisions as you scale. Finally, focus on building a strong team as you grow. As your business expands, you may need to hire additional staff or work with freelancers to manage various aspects of your operations. Surround yourself with people who share your vision and are committed to helping your business succeed. Scaling your e-commerce business is an exciting challenge, but it's important to do it thoughtfully and strategically. By optimizing your operations, expanding your product line, and investing in your marketing efforts, you can ensure that your business not only grows, but thrives in the long run. Thank you for joining me on this journey to launching a successful e-commerce store. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. I'm excited to see where your e-commerce journey takes you. Good luck.